Okay fellas, today we are starting from the boxes and I have two of them. I have received the batteries made for the Makita. You see it's a 5 amps Li-Ion batteries with a LED light indicator. I have charged it. I hope this one or maybe another one. And with the battery you will get the declaration of conformity. This is the crucial thing if you want to use in construction or something. Of course, most of the times everyone is not checking this one. Operator manual. I will skip that part. Okay, we have two batteries and this one was not packed out previously, and it arrives. Two lights flashes. Okay, now I will put it here, and as you definitely can see, these ones are made for the Makita tools. Charger, of course, I packed it out. It was in a plastic bag. Everything was packed really nice and well, and you can see this is similar than the Makita charger. Okay, let's unpack this one. I will plug it in, and when you put the battery, you can hear the melody, same as the Makita charger, and you can change the melody. So it's pretty same as the Makita battery charger. And it can charge the genuine Makita battery. This is my battery, so that's very good, and the genuine charger will charge this one. Okay, now the main thing we want to know here is what we have inside in the batteries and the charger, of course. Let's check. We have 4 screws and 90 volt ampere hours in volts, 5 amps, model power tool batteries, and the same company makes batteries for various tools, not only the Makita. I will put a link inside, of course, to check for you, but most we want to see what's inside here. My other battery failed. Okay, just repairing the genuine Makita battery, and you can see the genuine battery, and yeah, the genuine charger failed to charge this one, and this have the unbalanced cells inside. Of course, it failed after some time, so I will put it here. And meanwhile, I will open this battery. Okay. The screw is here. Okay. So what I have here, I have the LED light, and I don't want to break it or something. Okay. So we have the LED lights. We have the cells inside. It's 3.7 volts. It's a double tape, so I can put a double tape, and then no one will deassemble this one. And what is white on that cell? Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, this one is folded, so the charger stopped charging it. Of course, stop it by showing that it's full. Okay. what we have on the cells. And 2500 milliamps. So yeah, 2 cells. Definitely it's a 5 amps. Let's check for the terminal here. Looks solid. Let's put it like that. I want to remove this. Okay, controller. Oh, we have the connection here. This connection is made to put a signal for this. I think, yeah, we have the connection here. So basically, nice, they did it very nice, and we have the indicator, everything on, and okay, yeah, so the PCB is smaller than the Makita one. You can see that the wire here is really fat and enough to hold the power. So okay, that's made really not bad. Seen really more worse options. And okay, now I need to figure out how to assemble it back. I think I will be needed to take it out and on the, yeah, something like that, and okay, we will figure that out later. And yeah, so this one, the housing is strong enough and not made from the thick plastic. You can see the genuine Makita battery. This one cannot be opened, and it's the same white as the genuine, so that's a very good sign. Durable from the falling apart and something. Okay, one thing I have noticed here, that the charger don't have the fan. Maybe it's not needed for these batteries because they are 5 amps and the charger is 3 amps. Yeah, it's a slow charging charger, not a fast one. And all this kit cost 80-90 euros, so it's a really good price for 2 5 amp batteries and the charger. If you buy genuine Makita piece, I think you will pay twice or more for this one. I have the link in the description, just check that link. Okay, what we have, the PCB seems to look like a Makita one something, but of course it's less components, and we can see the power controllers or everything. It's a nice clean circuit board, looks good, works good, charges, and that's all we need, as we need it as a charger, not a computer or something. And okay, yep. Okie dokie, we can close it. The plastic looks good for the charger, really similar to the genuine one, Makita genuine one, and we really ensure this replacement for the Makita, so it must be cheaper in some points, of course, because they are not branded, but they must be durable and work good, as this one will work. I think looks good. Just let me close it. Okay, the charger And now what can we see here? Without the battery. I take motor tool. I'm testing the Makita batteries with this one and check. It works. We have 2 or 3. The tool not getting hot, the battery not getting hot, so it's a good thing for the good money. I will put a link in the description. Check the link, press thumbs up for this video, share your opinion in the comments. Maybe you have tested this one before, and don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe my channel. For now, thank you and bye.